What's up, guys? It's Hunter with NVX, and today we have another very exciting amplifier dyno. We have two XQA25001s, and what we're going to do is certified and dynamic tests as usual. But after we test one certified and dynamic, we're going to actually test them strapped. So let's go ahead and jump right on into it. Certified 4 ohm. See what kind of numbers we get here. All right, we got 1175 at 4 at a 14.91. 2 ohms. All right, we got 1930 at 2, 14.8. 1 ohm, here we go. All right, we got 2791 at 1, 14.7. Awesome, let's do dynamic. Dynamic, 4 ohms, here we go. $11.91 at 4, 14.9. 2 ohms. We got 2,254 at 2, 14.87 volts. Let's go ahead and go straight to 1. All right, we got 3,533 watts at 1 ohm at 14.79. All right, so let's go ahead and get these strapped up, and we'll explain what that means and how to do it with these amplifiers. And we'll do the same exact test, certified, dynamic. And we may even throw in a little treat here. So let's go ahead and get this set up. Typically with half bridge amplifiers, how you strap them together, we take a nice thick piece of wire. This is 8 gauge. You actually connect the 2 negatives together. And when this is put in slave, it flips the phase 180. So now your positive output becomes the negative on your slave amplifier. Now, on our amplifier, we have a data cable that connects the 2 rather than a single RCA jack. So, it's the same port, in and out. You just gotta flip the switch, which on this one is right here. Main strap, we have this one in strap. We have our negatives connected together, and our positive output is now in negative. So that's it. That's how you strap these bad boys together. And we'll get in, we'll make another video explaining how to do this more in depth. When you do strap amplifiers together, typically you cannot go under 2 ohms when they're strapped, because it technically, at a final impedance of 2 ohms with these 2 leads, each amp is at 1 ohm. So we're going to test these at 4 and 2, certified and dynamic. Like I said, we may have a little treat in there for you, so let's go ahead and get this dyno started up. I'm going to do certified 4 and 2. Here we go. $3,740 watts at 14.7 4 ohms. Now, let's do 2 ohms. Again, this would be 1 ohm each, basically. So we should be expecting about 5,000 watts. All right, we got 5,355 at 2 ohms, 14.54. We're gonna try 1.33. Let's do it. I'll pause it right when it hits distortion here. Oh, there it went. Actually, I believe our protection circuit came in to protect our amplifiers. That's one of the great things about these amps, is if you go too much into distortion, they'll cut audio off until you cut power off and turn it back on. So we got 6,000, just about 5,908 at 133 strapped at 14.4 certified. Let's go ahead and try dynamic 4 ohms. Here we go, dynamic 4 ohms. $4,022 watts at 14.87. Let's do 2 ohms. $6,416 at 14.78. Because I don't learn my lesson. Let's do it again. Dynamic 133. Here we go. $8,437 watts, 133 at 14.7. That's crazy. I like it. I like it. Wow. If you want to check out these amps or find some more information on these, please visit our website. The link is down below. If you like this video and want to see more, please like and subscribe.